FutureMakers. So a lot of you have asked me if teaching phonics is really difficult, if preparing teaching aids will take a lot of time, and will they be able to do it? In today's video, I'm going to answer all these queries. To make this teaching aid to teach CVC words, you need just this type of sticky note. It is really cheap and you can get in any kind of grocery store. All you have to do is, in the middle sticky note, you have to put out the vowels like A, E, I, O, U. As you can see, in the middle of the sticky note, I have put out all the vowels, and in the remaining two sticky notes, as you can see, I have put random consonants from the sat pin method so that they can make good words. Now, with this, your teaching aid is ready. All you have to do is teach the kids to scroll through the sticky notes, make words, and start reading. Just like this one, P-A-N, pan. We just take it this way and it becomes P-A-T, pat. We just take it this way and it becomes S-A-T, sat. We just take it this way and it becomes C-A-T, cat. Just like this, with the use of 9 sticky notes, your kids could make a number of CVC words. Inside TeacherPreneur, we not only teach phonics, but we also teach you how to teach phonics to your kids. So if you're a teacher who wants to earn extra income through phonics, or if you're a parent who wants that child to become independent reader, then TeacherPreneur is the answer for you. Make sure you check out the details of the course by clicking on the link over here and also given in the pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe to TeacherPreneur. See you soon.